Hi, Brian Bock. I'm one of the owners of Bock Steam Star. I'm an IICRC certified master textile cleaner with over 30 years in the business. Today I want to handle a question I get a lot. What's the best carpet cleaning method? And first of all, we got to ask the question, what are we trying to achieve? What is best? We got to define best. What are we trying to achieve? What are we cleaning? Is it residential carpet? Is this commercial carpet? Is it being maintained well? What do we need to bring on? And that's our job as professional cleanings, is to define that. But predominantly, the IICRC recognizes about 5 different carpet cleaning methods out there. The two prominent ones today are hot water extraction. You've probably seen stuff, they come in with a carpet wand and they got hoses hooked up to their truck mount or portable unit, and in what we call encapsulation system, which is what I have pictured here on this tool. We'll talk a little bit more about these, but as professional cleaners, we're well versed in a lot of different cleaning methods, and I've always looked at the cleaning methods kind of like a carpenter would look at a job. If your carpenter showed up at your house and was doing a remodel product and they only showed up with a hammer, would you be concerned? Okay. These are just tools that operators look at soil conditions, fiber type, budgets, and say, hey, what are we trying to achieve with this cleaning? Now let's go design that around there. Okay. Predominantly, if we're talking about residential carpet cleaning, most of the mills out there are mandating hot water extraction, which is your deep cleaning. It's your restorative cleaning process that gets stuff out of the base of that yarn much better, rinses better, the heat is good for the carpets, it's healthier for the indoor environments because of the temperatures that we're cleaning. All of that's been scientifically proven by the mills. Can we use a dry cleaning system like encapsulation cleaning on the residential side? Yes, but it's not designed for heavy soil load. But this has been a nice tool really for us on the commercial side of things. If we come out to your place and we get a business and we get it back in shape with hot water extraction, and then we have some options to maintaining, okay? It's just not designed for heavy soil load like we have on the residential side. We have taller carpets, we have higher soil load sometimes, and then less frequent cleaning. So we usually need to get into this. And it's not that you're voiding a warranty if you use an encapsulation system like this one here. It's just you're not keeping up with the warranties either. So my argument to most residential customers is, look, let's do hot water extraction. It's going to clean it as good as anything, and it's also required by the carpet mills. So that's a good one there, but we do have some options on the commercial side that we can maintain with something like this. On the residential side, this is struggles. This would be more like, trying to take a shower with a wipe and coming out and just wiping yourself down. That's more encapsulation cleaning, okay? Where hot water extraction and steam cleaning is more about getting in the shower when you're really dirty and cleaning and letting water wash it all off of you. So I think that's a good analogy to think about these different methods. So if you want to maximize cleaning, okay, as far as soil removal, impacted allergens and microbial growth, we need hot water extraction. If your goal is just more about appearance retention in your commercial facility, we have some options there. Okay, so let's just talk about what your project is, and then we'll see what method is right for you. Hope that helps.